Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're making jerk marinated grilled pork chops. To make the jerk marinade, combine the coconut oil, lime juice, Hawaiian chili peppers, scallions, garlic cloves, thyme, smoked paprika, ginger, brown sugar, Chinese 5-spice, salt, pepper, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, and tempura sauce in a food processor and blend into a smooth paste. Set aside a half cup of marinade for basting. Place your pork chops into a shallow glass dish. Pour your remaining marinade over both sides of pork chops. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 to 6 hours. Place your grill on high heat. Once the grill is hot, spray it with non-stick cooking spray and grill the chops for 4 to 5 minutes per side, depending on how thick they are. After the first side is done, flip it over and pour the reserved marinade on top. Once done, remove chops from the grill and allow them to rest for 5 minutes, and enjoy. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.